So today I want to tell you what Project Blue is, what it does for your business, why it's important. Basically, if you're running any business that generates leads, that wants better conversion, you need to optimize your process. There's only a handful of things you could do to really make sure that you're getting the biggest bang for your buck as far as return on investment goes. I'm going to show you why we built Project Blue and what it means to your overall bottom line inside your business. But basically, if you're doing any kind of lead generation and working your sales process and getting your appointments to a meeting, a phone call, something like that before you want to convert them into a sale, you know that that process is messy. That sales funnel has issues. Sometimes leads drop off and you're just not getting the conversion that you want to. We were experiencing the same thing. And we said, what if you could just message the people you want to on a platform that they know, like, and trust, and that way your business looks different than everyone else, right? And that's what we built with Project Blue. We want to help you increase your response rate, increase your booking rate, which overall helps you convert more deals, more leads or prospects into actual sales and revenue inside your business. So how do we do that? Hopefully you guys can see this, but basically what happens when you're doing a traditional sales channel, you're getting low response rate, right? If you look like spam, you get treated like spam. And typically if someone is using an iPhone and a business message comes from a platform, it's gonna show up green. It's gonna have opt-out language in it. It's gonna maybe hit some kind of spam trap or filter. And what that does to your business and credibility is drops you down to the level of those other spam filters. So you could be doing business, you could be a plastic surgeon, someone comes into your website and you want to qualify them before you meet with them. But if your message comes over like the ice cream shop offering some kind of deal, your message is going to be treated the same way as some kind of white noise that gets filtered out and they don't respond to it. We want to fix that inside your business. That's why we created Project Blue. Basically, there's no long A2P process that you got to go through to get approved. You could start using this right away inside your business with your leads to get them to respond to your messaging. And how does it do this, right? And that's what everyone wants to know. When we meet with the business, we want to understand, what are you doing to generate business? What do you need to do to convert the business? And what are the messaging and touch points that you have throughout your sales process, top of funnel, middle of funnel, all the way through to the sales conversion? And what you want inside that process is a messaging system that builds trust, that gets responded to, and gets people to interact and engage with you. And that's what we've done. So using a platform like iMessaging, which millions of people are already using and having great success, this is how they communicate with their friends, with their family. Now they could communicate with your business the same way. So that means you get treated the same as a friend messaging someone, opposed to just a regular business and looking like everyone else in the marketplace. This allows you to just do more inside your sales process, right? If I could send someone a GIF, if I could send someone a voice memo, the personal touch and my credibility as a business, as far as my messaging goes, it goes through the roof. And that's what we want inside of our platform, is to have your messaging and your business communication to look the same as the things that people already like, know, and trust. When you use our platform, what's really cool about it is our system plugs into either your sales process you currently have. This is an example of someone using Go Highlevel or Highlevel as their CRM. You could place your messaging right inside the normal automation builder. So if you're building automations to do lead follow-up or have some kind of trigger pushed inside your system, our tool allows you to program an iMessage just like you would a Twilio message, which is very powerful. You're able to get those responses that you want to. You're able to communicate with your customers in a method that hasn't been done before, which is awesome. So I just went to a quick automation to show you an example. So this is a new lead automation triggered by a contact created. Just like your normal automation process, you could go in here and add new events that you want to trigger within the automation. As you see, this one looks different than a typical Go Highlevel Automation, because this is a Project Blue automation. So once we're working with you, we're going to install our software into your agency or sub account, and this will allow you to program iMessage or Blue messages inside your automation, which is really powerful. This one, for example, checks if the prospect or lead is an iPhone user. So this is really cool because you don't want to maybe send them an iMessage if they're not an iPhone user. That would make no sense, right? You want to send them a traditional SMS or a Twilio message. This, our automation allows to check the network, find out are they an iPhone user. The next step in the automation is going to program that status in a custom field in the contact record, which is pretty cool. So if I click add, when you're working with us, you would have your traditional normal automations. You could go ahead and trigger these events as needed. If I go into Discover, you'll see our application is now installed, which gives you additional automations that you could use within the iMessage or Blue Message platform. Just like checking if they're an iMessage user, waiting for a reply from a prospect, or sending that iMessage. Let me go to the send iMessage and show you the difference than a normal Twilio message or Twilio trigger automation. So in here, you'll see that you could program your message like you normally would as you use Highlevel. And then there might be some message effects that you could use that you could only do within an iPhone or an iMessage. So this is pretty cool because we allow you to do additional features that Twilio doesn't have to communicate not only with your prospects with the Blue message, but give them a nice personal touch within your automations. The other cool thing, once our software is installed at your account in your CRM, is you could go into a normal contact record like you would and message with that prospect as you normally would, because down here you'll see the SMS, and then you'll also see the WhatsApp or email if you have their email in the contact record, and then you'll see the iMessage capability. So I could use Twilio or LC Phone and Project Blue iMessages simultaneously. So I could choose when I want to use an iMessage, when I want to send a Twilio message in the platform. This gives you a lot of versatility, gives you a lot of flexibility when you're programming your automations, so you could get the perfect workflow set up to get the best lead response, the best conversion on your opportunities, to get them inside your sales funnel, to an appointment, to your calendar, booking, whatever your process is. One day we will have an interface which allows you to do some more messaging and things like that inside your platform. But right now, what we do is we integrate our service right in your CRM. So we don't care what CRM you're using. Typically, we're working with Close, Highlevel, Salesforce, HubSpot, any of those major CRMs. We're able to embed our software right inside your platform and either augment your messaging system that you're currently doing with your prospects and leads, or replace the messaging system that you're currently doing so that you get that better conversion and response rate that you're looking for. Our process is super simple. First thing we do is we want to meet with you and understand your business. What are you doing now? What's working? What's not working? And see if we're a good fit to help set up this system and put it inside your business. When we analyze your process and your system, we're going to then meet with you to go through what are the stages, what are the issues you want to solve for, and can we put our system inside your business to solve for those issues. And then you're ready to start messaging. So once your platform is set up, we could again put it inside of a sales automation, give you some kind of tool where you could do ad hoc messages to your prospects, and you're ready to go. So you could set up those sales automations that you want to, you could message the prospects you want to, and use text messaging or iMessaging to get better response rates, better delivery, and more credibility with your offer. So if you're interested, you want to learn more about this, go ahead and go to our website, fill out the application, and then schedule a call with us. We'll take you through the whole thing. We'll understand how your business works and show you how iMessaging can unlock the next level inside your business. Looking forward to talking to you soon.